Is your HP 4301 FDW showing offline in 2026? Try these quick fixes before reinstalling everything.
First, make sure your printer and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If the printer recently changed networks, reconnect it from the printer's wireless settings. Next, restart the printer, your computer, and your router. A simple network refresh can clear an offline status caused by a temporary connection problem. Now open Windows Settings, select Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners. Choose your HP 431 FDW, and check the printer status. Open the print queue and make sure Use Printer Offline isn't enabled. Also remove any stuck print jobs that could be preventing new documents from printing. If the printer still appears offline, update or reinstall the correct HP 4301 FDW driver and software, then add the printer again. Finally, print a test page. If this fixed your offline problem, save this video. Save for the next time your HP printer disconnects.